In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set a stop loss or take profit in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a trade with a clearly defined stop loss and take profit, and you'll know exactly how to adjust those levels on the chart or from the Positions tab. First, open the Order panel. On your TradingView chart, bring up the Order panel so you can set up an order with your preferred settings. You should see controls for choosing the side of the trade and options for risk management. Next, click Buy or Sell. This selects the direction of your trade in the Order panel. You'll use the same panel to set your protective and target levels. Look for the Stop Loss and Take Profit options. Check the Stop Loss box and the Take Profit box to enable both fields. Now enter your specific price levels. Click into the Stop Loss field and type the exact price where you want the trade to close if it moves against you. Then do the same in the Take Profit field for the price where you want to capture gains. As you enter these prices, watch the chart. TradingView displays horizontal lines for your stop loss and take profit so you can visually confirm their positions relative to current price. If a line appears on the wrong side, simply adjust the number until it sits where you expect. For a buy, the stop loss should be below your entry and the take profit above it. For a sell, the stop loss should be above your entry and the take profit below it. This quick visual check helps prevent setting levels in the wrong direction. From here, review the levels one more time in the Order panel. Make sure the prices are correct and that they match what you see on the chart. This step reduces errors such as typos or misplaced decimals. If needed, click back into either field and correct the value. Once that's done, your order includes both a stop loss and a take profit at the exact prices you entered. At this point, after your position is open, you can modify these levels at any time from the Positions tab. Open the Positions tab and find the active trade you want to adjust. In the SL and TP columns, click the current values to edit them. Type the new price for the stop loss or take profit, then apply the change. The updated levels will reflect immediately, and you'll see the new prices appear both in the Positions tab and on your chart. This is a precise way to adjust your risk and target without moving anything visually on the chart. You can also modify these levels directly on the chart. Locate the stop loss and take profit lines tied to your open position. Hover your mouse over a line until the cursor indicates you can move it, then click and drag the line to the exact price level you want. As you drag, watch the price label update in real time so you can stop at the precise value you need. Release the mouse to set the new level. TradingView will update the sell or TP instantly for that position, and you'll see the new price reflected in the Positions tab as well. Dragging these lines does not close your trade, it only updates the protective or target level. If something looks off after a change, drag the line again or edit the value in the Positions tab to correct it. Take a moment to confirm that the stop loss is still on the protective side of the market, and the take profit is where you plan to exit with profit. This final check ensures your risk is controlled and your target is clear. That's it. You've set a stop loss and take profit in TradingView, and you know two reliable ways to modify them, through the Positions tab or by dragging the lines on the chart. Your trade is now protected and your target is defined. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.